I'm going to show you the best way to set up Nail Guitar Coach just to make the best use of it, and also point out a few little finicky things about iTunes as we go. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to start up a new playlist folder so you can throw all your Nail Guitar Coach stuff in there. So I'm going to do that. Nail Guitar Coach, make it pretty with capitals. There's that. Okay, over here I have my audios folder that you will have there. You're just going to select everything. You can go Control A or however else you want to do that, and then from there you can just drag it all in. Now what you'll notice is it won't want to go straight into there, so we're just going to have to go straight up to our library and throw it in from there. Okay, it's going to take a little bit to do that, so we'll jump back once that's done. Now that we've got all the files imported, we can go about bringing in the playlist from there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go File, Library, and then we're going to go Import Playlist. I've tried simply dragging and dropping, and it doesn't seem to want to work. Maybe with different editions of iTunes it may work, but that's what I've encountered. So we're going to go Import Playlist. We're then going to go to our Nail Guitar Coach folder, go to Audios, and from there we're going to go searching for the Nail Guitar Coach playlist. Now generally you can't tell the difference visually between MP3s and playlists, but there's no files called Nail Guitar Coach, so that's the one that we want. We're going to hit open, and that one's going to import for us. My computer's going a little bit slower than it should at the moment, but there we go. That has been brought into iTunes. From there you can then hopefully drag that up to the Nail Guitar Coach folder, and that will be able to keep everything in there. If you haven't used folders before, super handy if you've got a bunch of related playlists so you don't go cluttering up your whole screen here. So we can hide that if we need to, and then from there we can then bring in any other playlist that we want. Now here's the pain in the butt about iTunes. It doesn't like you to bring in multiple playlists at the same time. But let's go, for instance, let's say I'm into metal and I want to work on my metal guitar practice. I will go M, and it will come up with metal guitar. We're actually looking for the playlist. There's two playlists there, which is Metalhead and Metalhead 30 and Metalhead 60. So let's say we want to do a 60-minute practice on some metal things. There we go. It's imported those playlists. They're going to come in really fast because they're really small information, so very easy to import. And then from there, with that as well, we can import that up to our Nail Guitar Coach folder. Now, from here, we can then look at how we can edit these folders, but that will be a separate video.